Hey guys! I hope you are all doing well. I know it's November already, so basically the winter is on its way, but today I want to show you a look that has been my go-to look this fall. So without any further ado, I hope you will enjoy this video and let's get started. Okay, you might be wondering why is my face all of a sudden this red? That's because I had to take off my makeup and start over because the foundation I was using, I noticed in this proper lighting that it's definitely not working for my skin. So I'm gonna start over, but I'm too lazy to film a new intro, so just yeah. So as usual, I'm gonna start with foundation, and as usual, I'm gonna use Luminate CC Cream. I have been testing out a couple of new foundations now for a couple of months, but I still haven't found one that would be this CC Cream. Also, my skin is in a bit bad shape right now, like here. I don't know why is that. Is it stress? Is it candy? Is it I don't know what? Hormones? I don't know. But I have also been testing out new skincare products and having a new skincare routine. So hopefully in a few weeks I could film an updated skincare routine for you guys. Yay, I'm not red anymore. For concealer, I'm gonna use an old one, but a good one. This is L'Oreal True Match Perfecting Concealer. I seem to have permanently black circles under my eyes, but luckily this conceals them. I'm noticing that now that I have a new phone and a better camera and proper lights, I'm looking more harsh on the camera or in the camera, or my makeup is, so it's gonna take some time to get used to this. And next up, I'm gonna apply Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder just a bit underneath my eyes. This broke one day somehow, I don't know, so I need to be careful with it. This is a very nice powder. It costs like €3, I think, and it's really nice for brightening up your face, and I really like it. I'm gonna do my brows using Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in top, and yeah, just gonna do my brows regularly. My pomade has dried down a lot, or dried a lot, so it's kind of hard to use nowadays, which is kind of annoying, but I'm still trying to use this as long as I can because this is quite expensive. Sometimes it is hard to work with this and make my brows look nice and smooth and natural. So I would want to test a pen next maybe, but I haven't bought one yet, so now I'm just using this. Okay, brows are done. Usually I set them with fragrance-free hairspray, but I usually do that at the very end. That's a good tip if you are looking for something to hold your eyebrows in place for real and something affordable. Next up, I'm going to apply blush. This is Jordana blush in Rose Silk. Nothing new there. And I'm gonna use Real Techniques. I think this is a blush brush, but it's really cool. It's pretty. So this fall I've been all about just using blush. Can't really talk while I'm doing this. I haven't been using bronzer that much at all. I actually really like the only blush look because it's very fresh and natural, and I went totally overboard with the blush. At least that's how it looks in the camera, not so much in real life. And also my skin underneath is red, so this is not going so well. But yeah, I think the blush look is very, very nice and fresh, so I'm all about that. And now I'm gonna apply highlighter using Illumine Invisible Illumination Instant Illuminizer Drops in Rosy Dawn, I think. I think they, however, have changed the shade just a little, or the color. It's a bit more like stronger rose color, and I still think these are the prettiest option for a very natural look and for a very natural glow. And next up, I'm gonna line my eyes lightly using the dark brown eyeshadow from the Zoeva Cocoa Blend palette. This can be a brown pen or pencil pen, make a pen, or another deep brown eyeshadow. Why deep brown? Is that deep brown is a little, deep brown is softer color than black, and that's why it's very appropriate for everyday look, and especially I think for blue eyes, dark brown is very flattering. Brown is the perfect color for everyday use since it doesn't pop out the same way black does. And now before applying mascara, I'm going to set my face using MAC Prep and Prime or MAC Fix Plus. And to finish off, I'm going to curl my lashes and apply L'Oreal Paradise Ecstatic Mascara. This is my third one, and I think after this I will try to look for a new one. I really like this mascara, but I think it dries like in the bottle very fast compared to other mascaras that I've had. So that's not good. It makes your lashes look really good when you buy it and when it's new, but after that it dries quite fast and then you don't really get anything out of the bottle. So I don't know if that's like a personal issue or something, but yeah, I think after this one I will look for another one. So if you have any recommendations, please share. And here you have my go-to look for this fall. I was struggling a bit with my red skin and overdoing my blush and whatnot, but I hope maybe some of you got some inspiration for your everyday looks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Have a great week. Bye!